Dave, I've done her coffee.
Do you want a big one?
You are. We're a new couple now, aren't we?
You don't see this very often. She's smiling. It brings out the best in her.
That's why we always will recommend him, won't we?
Oh, absolutely. Got no problem at all.
Recommend him to family, friends.
Even his staff in Worthing are very, very good. Very professional.
I first met Dr. Bruno many years ago when my granddaughter, unfortunately, she had an accident and she chipped and broke her teeth. And as a young teenager, really, she was very concerned. And I was just taken aback of the empathy and the confidence that he showed and built up her confidence. And she was more than happy to have treatment with Dr. Bruno. I had fitted dentures to the top of my jaw, and I found it very, very difficult. As much as I persevered, eating was a disaster. I would have to remove the crown and discreetly put into a tissue so that I could eat. And I can remember most vividly one embarrassing moment when I was out in a restaurant eating a meal, and I had discreetly put my upper dentures into the tissue into my handbag. And one of the girls that I was having lunch with asked for some money, obviously, to pay for the meal, pulled out my purse, and what happened? The serviette flew out of the bag and my dentures flew across the table in the restaurant. Amid great hysterical laughter from my colleagues, but imagine had I been with other people who didn't know that I was wearing dentures. So that really made up my mind, I need these more permanent. So after a long discussion with Dr. Bruno, he gave me confidence to go forward with a plan. Once I made the decision to have the top implants done, the ALL-ON-4, the procedure was absolutely amazing. And the difference it made to my life, the confidence I gained in speaking to people and being able to smile was amazing. And I couldn't thank him enough for his professionalism. A few years later, I had come into contact with Dr. Bruno, and because of health reasons, I delayed making the decision of returning to the Brighton Implant Clinic because I felt I wanted to go ahead with the procedure. Having spoken to Dr. Bruno, who absolutely reassured me that he would look after me again and that I was in good hands, I took that decision and I have never regretted it. The procedure has developed and gone forward, which was amazing. And to actually, after a few months, careful looking after and constant reassuring from Dr. Bruno and his team, I have now got a full set of ALL-ON-4. I know what the Brighton Implant Clinic have done for me and what Dr. Bruno, with his professionalism, has done for me regarding my confidence, because as they say, you're never too old to smile.